Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Keap pipeline labels and stages, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Keap pipeline labels and stages, begin by logging into your Keap account. Locate the Sales or CRM tab on the main navigation menu. Select Pipelines from the drop-down options. Identify the pipeline you wish to edit. Click on the pipeline name to open its settings. In the pipeline view, look for the Edit button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on Edit to enable changes to your pipeline. To modify a stage label, select the stage you want to rename. Click on the label text in the stage box. Type in the new label for your stage. Press Enter or click outside the text box to save the changes. If you want to add a new stage, look for the Add Stage option. Click the Add Stage button. Enter a name for your new stage in the provided field. Decide the position of your new stage in the pipeline. Drag the stage to the desired location if necessary. Save your changes by hitting the Save button at the bottom of the screen. To remove a stage, click on the stage you wish to delete. Select the Delete option, usually represented by a trash icon. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Review your updated pipeline to ensure all changes reflect appropriately. Exit the pipeline settings once you are satisfied with the updates. Your Keap pipeline labels and stages are now updated successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.